living methods. We can look at exercise 17.8, question 9, and question 13. So for question 9, we've got a question of a curve, and we want to find the gradient between this point and that point. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. You're just going y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's expand and simplify. So that's if I expand the quadratic, I get 1 plus 2h plus h squared. So if I multiply that by 3, I get 3 plus 2h times 3 is 6h plus 3h squared. I've got a negative 1 on the second bracket, so negative 1, negative h, negative 2 minus 1. 1 plus h minus 1 is just h. So what can we simplify? 3 minus 2 is 1. Hang on, we've got 3 minus 1 minus 2, so these cancel out each other out. Okay. What else can we cancel out? Well, we've got 6h minus h is 5h plus 3h squared on h. If I simplify it, what do we get? We get 5 plus 3h. Okay, so that's the gradient. That's for A. For part B, find the gradient PQ when h equals 0.1. So if I sub in 0.1 into the equation, get 5 plus 3h, which is 3 times 0.1. So that's 5 plus 0.3. So it's 5.3. Okay. C, find the gradient of the tangent to P. Now, the tangent is when limit is h approaches 0 of 5 plus 3h, which equals 5. Okay, so can you see that if you make h the distance between the 2 points 0.1, you can see that it's a good estimate of what the actual gradient. The actual gradient is 5. Okay, so for question 13, we're just basically finding the gradient by first principle. So f dash of x equals f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay, so f of x plus h, they've given it to us. It's this thing. So x4 plus 4x cubed h plus 6x squared h squared plus 4x h cubed plus h4 over h. Not over h, minus f of x, which is this, plus h. So this is f of x plus h is this part, and that's f of x. Okay, so that's that part. We can cancel the x4. What are we left with? Okay, so I'm left, and we want the limit. Oops, I forgot the limit as h approaches 0. Limit as h approaches 0. Now, I can simplify this. So limit as h approaches 0. If I divide everything by h, I get 4x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 4x h2 plus h to the power 3. So if I let h equal 0, all these terms go away, so you're left with 4x cubed. Which makes sense. If you know a shortcut, that's how it works. So remember, you always have to put the limit until the very end. Okay, at the very end, you do not put a limit. Okay, you just write the answer. So hopefully that helps.